Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. So, some pictures of the new Google Pixel 8 Pro to come have emerged and it is looking sexy. Now, let me quickly remind you to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet, so you are not missing out on any other future content like this. And also make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. But let's go and get into this first picture here. So, looking at this first picture, it shows us the entire back of this device right here. Now, yes, it does look very identical to the Google Pixel 7 Pro, but it looks like we are getting a matte finish this time around, and it is looking nice. You know, it almost reminds me of the Phantom Black that we get with the Galaxy S devices, and that color and that finish, the feel of it is just so nice. So it looks like they're bringing that to the Google Pixel 8 Pro here. So again, looking really nice. Now, when it comes to that camera module up at the top there, look at how huge that lens is in the center. I mean, comparing that to the lens here with the Google Pixel 7 Pro, it definitely looks like it's going to be a lot bigger than what we have with the 7 Pro right here. So that just kind of tells me that they are going to be bringing some improvements with the cameras on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. And I gotta say, the cameras on the Google Pixel 7 Pro are already really good. I mean, you can capture some great shots with this device right here, with the cameras on this device. And I know a lot of it has to do with the software. Well, it looks like we're getting some new hardware. And then also, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be getting a new chipset with this device as well. So that, with the new lenses, we're gonna be getting some bomb photos, I'm pretty sure. I mean, Google never lets us down when it comes to taking photos on these Pixel devices. Pictures always come out crispy clean. But going back to that camera module there, it also looks like we're gonna get a sensor and a flash right at the right side of those camera lenses. And of course, it does look like we're gonna get 3 camera lenses there. I'm sure that main camera lens, an ultra wide, and it looks like a telephoto lens as well. And it also kind of looks like that whole camera bar in the back is still going to be of a glossy finish, like what we have with the 7 Pro series here. So it looks like the whole backing will be matte, the top will be matte, but when it comes to that strip in the back, it will still be a glossy finish. And I'm glad they're sticking with this overall look in the back, because it's a unique look that doesn't look like every other device out on the market. You see that, you know it's a Google Pixel device as soon as you see that visor in the back. But overall, very sexy looking device. It looks like it's going to be around pretty much the same shape as the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And this phone already feels really good in the hands, whether I'm using it with 2 hands or with 1 hand. It feels really good because of those nice rounded edges and just the overall size and shape of the device feels really good in the hand. Now, going over to the next picture here, nothing major here. We're just getting a look at the front screen of the device, but it still gives us a look at what that front screen is going to look like. We're still going to get that selfie camera punch hole cutout up at the top. We do get a little bit of bezel all the way around. Now, I can't tell if the edges are going to be flat or rounded. It almost looks like they're going to have a little bit of curve to them on the sides, but I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see once the device is officially announced. But looking right here, you can kind of tell by the case going around. As you can see up at the top, it does cover that top part, but then kind of goes down a bit under the edges of the phone. And phones that have curved edges like this, the cases are usually made like that, where it'll just kind of protrude out on the top and the bottom, but kind of go down so it doesn't cover that edge on the display. But I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful display, just like what we have with the Google Pixel 7 Pro. But you know, I'm actually really excited for the Google Pixel 8 Pro. I'm sure it's going to be a great device. I mean, the Google Pixel 7 Pro is already a great device. I mean, it looks nice, it runs great, super smooth experience that you get with this device right here. I mean, it takes care of everything that I needed to throughout my day, and it does actually get me through the day with the battery life on this device right here. And it is said that the Google Pixel 8 Pro is supposed to have a better battery life than what we get with the 7 Pro as well. So really looking forward to that device. If the Google Pixel 7 Pro now, that is last year's phone, can still keep up with phones released this year, I mean, that alone tells me that the Google Pixel 8 Pro is going to be an even better device. But I don't know, y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think Google's gonna bring with their new Google Pixel 8 Pro? Are you excited for it? If you do have a Google Pixel 7 Pro for yourself, how's it treating you? And do you plan on upgrading to the new Google Pixel 8 Pro once it is announced and released. Let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. And also let me know what you think about the overall look of the Google Pixel 8 Pro just based off of these photos that we saw here in this video. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.